Just to give you some context and background as to where we are at the moment, we are currently in the process of finalizing our bid documents. We expect a return of bidders around the August timeframe in terms of returning the complete document, and we shall be going into an evaluation period with an expected announcement of a preferred bidder around the December, prior to the December break. I think that's within the program and the time frames that we set out to achieve right now. I think systematically it has to initially fit within the profile of the existing system and the operating regime of the existing system. But I think we've come a long way in terms of our acquisition of our original rolling stock to the requirements of the future and the current rolling stock that exists in the market and the industry. So there will be some enhancements and technology improvements in terms of the rolling stock. The look and the feel will ultimately be the same, but I think internally in terms of the technology improvements with the concept of information flow and those sort of enhancements that enhance customer value. Those are the systematic improvements of the rolling stock itself that we were looking to improve. We are enhancing the rolling stock, or we acquiring additional rolling stock to manage the needs of the peak periods. I think that's ultimately the challenge right now. If we look at it from that perspective, our morning peaks and our evening peaks, our system is quite constrained. We need to run shorter headways, so we are looking at infrastructure improvements apart from the rolling stock. So we are looking to address purely the morning and afternoon peak periods so that we can move the workforce faster and support the capacity needs out there that we currently have in terms of challenges. Precisely that. I think that if we had more rolling stock and with the minor improvements in terms of our signaling infrastructure and other related infrastructure, we can introduce shorter headways. But you need rolling stock capacity to introduce. We have run our rolling stock to its full capacity. We have no more rolling stock to introduce into the system. If we had more rolling stock, we could move from a 10-minute headway immediately to an 8-minute headway, potentially. And then as we improve the system further in terms of its infrastructure and its constraints, if we address the constraints of the system, we can slowly move down to a 6-minute headway. But the rolling stock requirement and the capacity of rolling stock is essentially what enhances operational efficiency. So from the time we announced our preferred bidder and we have established commercial close to financial close, is probably a three-month window. Once we've established financial close and we've appointed our preferred bidder, we're looking at a deployment strategy of roughly 2 years of deployment in a phased approach for the rolling stock. So if we're looking at 2019, we're looking at about 2021 is we'll start seeing the rolling stock being deployed into the system. Remember, there's a level of commissioning that goes in, and the infrastructure has to be improved to a certain level to support the rolling stock. So that time frame is around 2 years in its program environment, and we will see an introduction of the rolling stock into the system.